Today, a 60-second walkthrough. Basic Aruba switch setup using the startup wizard and CLI. Power the switch, connect the console cable to your laptop, and open a terminal at 9600 baud. For quick setup, use the web startup wizard. Set hostname, management IP, and default gateway. Example, hostname, Aruba Core, management IP, 192.168.1.10/24. On the CLI, enter configuration mode. Set the hostname, enable SSH, and save. Commands, configure terminal, hostname Aruba Core, IP route 0.0.0.0/0192.168.1.1, crypto key generate RSA modulus 2048, IPSSH. Then write memory. Create management VLAN and assign interface. VLAN 10, name management. Interface 1/1/1, no shutdown, VLAN access 10. Verify with show IP and show VLAN. Confirm reachability from your laptop, then save config, write memory. That's the basic Aruba Wizard plus CLI setup, fast and secure. For full guides, see Aruba Docs.